Forecast right now to find out how much snow is coming our way, John.
I was thinking the same thing. Good thing the drone can still fly. Yeah. But I like what you say, Mary. You know, if you can take a second, maybe step back. There are some very pretty winter scenes out there. Weather watchers sending in some nice pictures, in fact, to back me up on that. But nicer readings. We're averaging around 25 degrees, which is great. That's a plus over yesterday. There's not as much wind all the way out to the east end. Still have air temperature readings in the teens north and west, but some interesting and fun pictures. Beautiful for Mike and Charlie. Birds giving it the old one-legged treatment because it's so cold. Now, Dan is already, he's got the eggs and the milk for tomorrow. Do take advantage of the day today to plan on it. And, yeah, just gorgeous out there. If you have the gear, maybe go out for a walk or a run today. Now, want to take a look at the city. I got a call this morning from Hairology Salon out in Rockaway. They're getting a lot of calls. Folks want to know about appointments tomorrow. Well, here's the deal. If it's optional and you can change your plans, tomorrow it's going to be a challenging day. Even though Rockaway to the west won't see the kind of totals we'll see in the city or Long Island, make sure that you're ready with extra supplies in the car if anything does happen. And then also, if you can change it, think twice. It is going to be warmer first part of next week. It's warmer today than it was yesterday by 3, 4, 5 degrees. Still dealing with some wind chills in the teens. And thankfully, with the absence of the wind chill is the air temperature reading in the city. Advisories now. It's a winter storm warning for Ocean County, points south. It's also a winter storm warning for Suffolk and into Connecticut. Why? We're not only dealing with accumulating snow and more significant totals there, but you're dealing with stronger winds. Winter storm watch for the city. Why? Well, we've got, the possibility of blowing and drifting snow even in the city. Timeline, 2 to 5 a.m., snow develops. It's 5 to 10 where we see the steadiest snow. Starts to taper off quickly between 10 and 1. Leftover snow showers north and east later in the day. Storm is still well to the south. Cold enough air, though, for issues with travel in parts of the southeast. The RPM model really keeps the levels down with that 2 to 3 in the city and that half a foot plus out on the east end. Look at the NAM now. The NAM is now bringing in over 8 inches of snow for the city. So there still is that discrepancy. We'll be watching it Thursday, but don't forget, it's after the storm leaves. It's even more dangerous with those temperatures and widespread wind chills at 15 to 30 degrees now below zero.
And wide ranges with those models.
Oh, yeah. What model do you like better?
I do not like the NAM.
Yeah, I don't like that either.
It's just way too much in the city.
All right. Thanks, John.
Thank you, Johnny.